Hey, good morning, guys. It's the rescue mini kitten. This kitten morning breakfast. Well, so for this tiny baby kitten I rescue from our project, and they're really cute and so gorgeous. And there are five of them, very small. You can see they are so beautiful, gorgeous. Well, and I just provide them some fried chicken, as you can see, and they like chicken. They also like milk. They actually living in our project, so our project is finished. So no one will be there, and.
वो बिल्ली सब है ना उसको बाहर निकाल देते हैं
नहीं नहीं अभी नहीं है, मैं आएगा। नहीं नहीं अभी नहीं है, वो तो अभी ऐसा नहीं कीजिए। आप जाइए, मैं थोड़ा वीडियो कर रहा हूँ ना, आप जाइए, इसलिए बाद में आएगा। सो गाइस, so far this baby kitten healthy, they are look adorable and also cute, and more than like week ago I rescue and adopt them. They are naughties. Actually, I put them somewhere. They jump and go out, try to go and escape. This one, this you see right here. Twice he jumped from the cage where I put them, but he just come out and jump. First floor to a ground floor and hide in the somewhere some kind of vertical box. So I have to find him and and rescue him again. Yeah, he's naughty. See, I provided him food, but he doesn't want to eat. Here, good, eat. Very good. Yeah, cute kitty. Shawash. Eat. Well, how to rescue more? They are actually so small, as you can see, and not really big. This is the fried chicken I forgot them. Here, kitty. Hey, okay, this one always cry. I don't know. Hey, come on, here, come on, here, come on, have some food here. Okay, this one like his mom color. This one same as like his mom color. Hey, come on here, chicken. Eat. Yeah, here. Very good. Here. Don't go there. Yeah, they're enjoying the chicken. I hope they like the chicken. And later on, this is the kitten morning breakfast. Later on, like at 10 o'clock, I will give them milk. And last time, I will give them fish. But yesterday, I give them fish. They didn't like it. Hey, come on, here. Don't go there. Here, eat. Okay. Now take it in. Yeah, very good. I hope they are still with me. Oh, well, I have my 20 more rescue kitten. Yesterday, very sad news. One kitten died. A sick kitten. I rescue him. Honest, I try my best to actually save his life, but I couldn't. He was sick badly, and I just provide him so many medication, but he didn't get cured. But he died. in the afternoon tomorrow. I mean yesterday in the afternoon. Hey, come on here. See, this is very dangerous one. You see, it's not this one. He jumped from the first floor and to the ground floor and hide. Try to escape. Hey, don't go there. Yeah. Okay, tiny baby kitten. Eat, chicken. Okay, this one goes over there. See, ready? Come on. Here. You cute. Okay. Eat. Chicken. Yeah. Chicken. Very good. Beautiful kitten. Okay. So far they're eating. I'm really happy to see they're eating. Also, getting food. Here. Okay. Tiny kitty. Here. Okay. Also, look, I don't know this baby kitten. I give them shower actually, and again not now. It's rainy day. Hopefully, day after tomorrow once sunshine, and so I'll give them bath. I mean hot bath. It's like so they will be disinfected or clean, and no issues so far. But anyway, guys, this is my job site. The job. I mean, site where I work, and this is my small office. I keep the kitchen inside the container. We have a air conditioned container. Okay, baby, get it here. Okay, here. Okay, you guys eat, eh? Very good. Here. Okay, don't go there. Here. He always cry this one. Even you hold him, he just cry. He just mad cat. Here. Hey, don't go there. All right, here. All right. Eat. Baby kitten. Here. See, a lot of food I brought for them. Lot of food. Here, baby kitten. Eat it. Okay, very good. Eat. So cute kitten. Eat. Baby kitten here. Very good. You're so gorgeous. So adorable. Tomorrow afternoon I give you. Okay, here. Okay, baby kitten. Okay. You guys enjoy the food, eh? Now time to play. Am I right or wrong? Here. Now time to play, eh? Go. Just start jumping. You see. He start playing. Anyway, guys, I'll let you go. Yeah, this is all about my rescue baby kitten. Hopefully, they get bigger. They can go their own way and have their own freedom. And I just rescue them, adopt them, feed them now. They are cute, doing pretty well. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Please, guys, subscribe and make comment. If you have anything to say. Thank you very much, guys.